Hey guys, so are you looking or striving hard to look for keywords on your YouTube video? So if you are on the same page, I'm gonna teach you how you can find the most searched keyword on YouTube or even in Google. So this will be super helpful, not just for YouTube videos, but also on your blog post, because I do have blog posts as well. Aside from doing YouTube videos, I normally create an article version of my videos, because sometimes I miss some information in my videos, so I always put an article version for that. And yeah, I just don't like people who are really doing great on YouTube. It's not just about their brand awareness thing. So they are not just cautious of keeping the audience or returning audience on the loop, but they are also aware of looking for a strategy to find a new visitors, and that new visitors can be only found if you look for a creative way to find a most searchable keywords on YouTube and Google. And I'm going to show you what are the tools that I'm using, and I believe other experts are using as well. So without further ado, let's begin now. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to show you how you can look for a keyword for your YouTube video. So this is really my process when I do like video publishing. So like when I record a video, I really don't have a specific keyword that needs to be recorded, but sometimes I have some heads up like, wow, like this keyword needs to have a video version. But most of the time, I really don't have a prepared keywords for that video. So let's say I just got a task about segmenting MP3 or audio on Anchor FM. So I don't have a keyword for that yet, but I already have a topic, and my boss want me to create a tutorial for that. So I created a recorded version, and I want that as well to be published on my YouTube channel. So we need to look for a keyword for that tutorial. So in order for you to look for a keyword, you need to go to the Google Keyword Planner. So go to the ads at google.com, you click that one and click the Go to Keyword Planner. By the way, you need to have an ad account on this. You need to have an AdWords, otherwise this one will not work. So creating an account on AdWords, I believe you need to put your billing information. So you don't need to really pay for ads, I believe, because AdWords have some free credits, but you need to have an AdWords account. Okay, so once you're ready, connect your AdWords account, you go to the keyword planner, and let's say I want to look for a good keyword for my video tutorial, which is Anchor FM. By the way, Anchor FM is for the podcast. Yeah, and I want to enable all the location. I don't want to be limited on our country. So Anchor FM, Anchor Podcasts. Yeah, Anchor Podcast, or probably Anchor Podcasting as well. So, by the way, if you are curious what's Anchor all about, it is a application or a tool if you want to start podcasting for free. So this Anchor FM is powered by Spotify. So yeah, just in case you are curious what's this keyword all about. So as you can see here, like there is a monthly 100K search for this particular keyword. I would say it's a good one because the competition is low, and also the bidding here is a bit great. Like it has a lowest bid of 49 pesos, that is $1, to $3, which is 137 pesos. So I'm going to click this one and this and this and come up with this one. So for the competition of YouTube, you can play around with the medium competition to low competition, and then the monthly search would be at least 110,000. And I would also come up with like 1K monthly search as long as the bid is good. So as you can see here, the least bid is almost $2, and then the top bid is almost $5. So I can probably get like 4 to 5 RPM for that. So I still want to try this keyword. So once you're ready, choose the keyword that you want. So I'm gonna drag, actually this one is a little bit, I would say, I really love these keywords, guys. So I'm gonna grab all of this as long as it's not Spanish. Or this Trish Regan, I'm not sure who she is, but yeah, I'm gonna just grab some of these keywords over here, especially those keywords that has a high bid range. Yeah, so I'm gonna go do that. And by the way, when you put a keywords into YouTube channel, you have an option to insert at least 500 characters. So this is something that I can kind of put in. So put it over there. Like I have already a bunch of keywords that I can choose. And then on this, along with these keywords, you need to choose one specific keyword that you want to target in your YouTube title. And I would say I'm going to use this Anchor podcast. So Anchor podcast. So this will be my main keyword. So that's how you can really do keyword research using Keyword Planner. There's also other thing as well, other process that you can do. You can straightly go into the youtube.com and look for the keyword that people are searching about related to your topic. So let's say podcast or Anchor podcast. So this one, these are the other keyword that would be ideal for your topic. Let's say, like, because I have a video about Anchor, so this keyword can be ideal. And then you can also install, by the way, a so-called, I just forgot the name. It's, wait a minute, let me enable the extension. Is TubeBuddy. I was able to, you download this one on your Google Chrome. So TubeBuddy extension. So that one, TubeBuddy extension, it is free, but it also have a premium version if you want to access the premium features, of course. So you download that into your Google Chrome, this one. So it's free to use. And then, let's say, let me just click that like that. So in the TubeBuddy, let me just refresh this one. If you enable this TubeBuddy in here and then you type in, you go into the keyword explorer and type in Anchor FM or Anchor podcast, you can see the competition so far on this keyword. So we are in the middle, so this is something, a good keyword as well that we can optimize. So the red one means it's hard to optimize. So the more greener you are, the simpler you can optimize or you can get ranked on this specific keyword. So this is other thing you can use as well in looking for a keyword for YouTube. And then there is another tool that's called Google Trends. So go into the Google Trends, type in here. So go into the Google Trends and let's say, I don't think Anchor has that. Search has a good trends for Google Trends. Let's just take a look. So no, Anchor is too general. I would say Anchor FM. So right now here, Anchor FM has a really great daily search, like 55 search. So you will expect to get at least 55 search per day for the Anchor FM. How about we can come up with Anchor podcasting? I've seen here, like I've used Anchor Podcast. So how about just Anchor Podcast, not progressive. Oh, so as you can see here, like Anchor FM, Anchor Podcasting, and Anchor Podcast, the Anchor Podcast has better search or daily search versus on the Anchor FM. So I would definitely use this one as my main keyword. So that's really how you can really do keyword research, guys. There are other tools that you can use, but we cannot cover everything. So I'm going to put on the link description below in case you want to check out. And I will also have a article version in this video. So because sometimes, guys, I always miss some information in this video, so I really prefer to put it on the article version. So yeah, feel free to check that out if I forgot anything or you want to know more about keyword research. Thank you and have a great day.